adofo ene so bia ya san ehia e wo de e call Facebook live so baby bia wo hwem bia nhia kese enkoma mo pa ene manya mpanyifo e wo fia eye Mr. Dan from Matka Entertainment ene Mildred of Mildred Nyako Enterprise ene ye ba betwetwe komo afa say eye dating obi ka wo ho ka se me de mempa akra me pepanyin sugar daddy na se sugar mommy oni obi atwem pra na se wo date bia de ye wo ho ene de a enye wo ho ma me net sen na wa date obi a ka se sugar daddy what date sugar daddy da
ababa wanti e yesi so enkan kan se wo ho amofele wo ho wo si so no keneke e wa be fa wa kwam until the mefane say we date bida.
Okay. Yeah. What date bida? Now, how was the experience?
Oh, well, it has advantage and disadvantage of it. Well, advantage, you know, a boy me mami jina me na so. Yeah, mami shia you maybe. Ni young guy date is different from say only penny date. Mom, anamu two be sisa. Into one of you cry now, office say, obey catch us, and say there was a son. And I say, and say, the assay. Near two no be an baby. There be so penny moon on Nancy and on name, baby or dog. And more casa, as a worry brown deal wow. And has worry brown deal one casa on Wintino. As a sound 1 or 2 ways.
As a sound 1 or 2 ways. Okay, and then like I say, obey sugar mommy and I say sugar daddy. What did sugar mommy da?
I feel I'm near.
I feel you never be away. Now didn't see also say you never be away.
In say if you ask them, you missus will try to be me. Until I think some try to come.
Because I will try and not come. Not just say, oh, try near my ship. Now, my show dream say, as a young guy, what is our bobra? Now, who could date you be? I ever find it says, Sabio, a young mammy, and now when you see one as a penny be because of help, and I be, I would you say ever what?
A family, you know, send your kind of so go our room because or call for be in your own. See, they are Smith, Libya, not with so old stress. To be quiet, maybe a minister. I never come on minimum profile on my computer. Okay. To me, the ones and shouldn't pay you babies. That's what I said because Francois could 2 weeks on one. A bit of a control life. Because I saw because you see, I saw you. Especially if I saw your guy, Bema maybe or so now all sugar mommy be an episode. No, say, let me hear 8 o'clock. So so as I say, every and now, who is capable of fear and now be on the mouth. One car, or China. So as I say, if you so grand a year and also, but you fear you become all right. So what do you do? So as I say, look up a shower and I will drop up or share on now. As I say, the moon there. So look now, who comes here, be beaten out. You want to say, I can break a car or nothing.
Wafa and a bema or bar, and I said, Bema, about date you be when you see now, Oscar, I ever friend is a sugar daddy. And Musha, and yet. Near
your chest any panel when you soon then you. So as I say, for the Sabia, say you'll be a sugar daddy, you'll be a worry, not or sign shooting at you. Understand? I don't know you can't say sugar daddy. Okay. So when you say no, a singular, you won't say sugar daddy. Now when you say no, Oscar, not some worry.
And not 1 year, maybe I will younger. People take it say, and can you soon age mates, you know. So I say, I would say it's the Africans and our blacks. There was some mentality be say, who's are now dating penny. Let's say, Sikana say, the person is a sugar daddy.
The only said, Tetsino, no, say, no, penny go to me, what collateral is no sinners. They don't do 60 and don't do 80 because of one. You who's a sad and they be a science number back. So as I say, yeah, I think the sad and don't ever back. Okay. It's in the family be not okay today, no, I am going to be one. It is idea. Nay, if I say we are saying any brain idea, will be able to room or the rooms. Okay. But I made them some try her city. Okay. No, I said, the one can end the crown as a young. Oh.
Oh, person will try say no credit and I say and no credit. Okay, Mildred also Rebecca said so also what for modern. Net say no compare young guy be only no air trimpana. And it's hard time not compare it to say.
Oh, my funny say me about comparison now. Young guys no more pressure. Penny no, maybe I make only business be here. It's no penny no pressure no. Penny no pressure no, almost no pressure no. You don't know a business tycoon. I did down here. It's pressure normal. My young guy in India and I want him. Oh, I own him for bra. No, just say, once your young guy will be wasting time.
Obey wasting time.
Yes, obey wasting time. As comparing to Penny. Your brother can be say, Bearman no worry. And I say, be a sick and I would in a cheap and I be. But now can be said, who's Obi or what? Me funny say, me nam baby and I'm moody. Me share Obi. Yammy, you be a mammy, me share Obi. Maybe any punish share me, my sitting and one. Or see, oh, my fat me show. Or me in the banner. Me show, me wow. Oh, me show, me wow. Salty as you. I've never you also not Nipano Cassie me show me wow. Be so crana, not making in Pum Crown for one cool. No one company. It's no show. Oh, Moya, where say, oh, you're also pay woe. You can't say, company. Okay. Oh, pay company. Okay. And no just say, or pay no, say your person order. There's one that. Or pay one, no, all the time. Acquires Aquala, Nina, or what we are not one not take a crown. So common, a year nika, original Kakra, a year Charles Bailey, AC live from Dubai or here from Dubai. Nana call me as sorry, hi daddy, me papa say good evening, my daughter, good evening, daddy, and Osafo Antonio, say I'm with you guys. Order for baby bia o share free bia no ye be pese wo be share video wi na obi bia so a o share so enya foto afrim ye gusu as afi ne wo share program ya we talking about sugar daddy advantage and I said eye and I said nyenso sanso a e wo no se wo date sugar daddy and as sugar mom ya wo betimi de wo comment eni ni ama so ebeba na ye be ready ama e wo show no so aha ma me to aso Sina me can say akwala 190. Fofo say 2 years 3 years. Oh no kasa be say you nyasem ye but akwala no won chen no. Oma wo niji, oma wo sere. Sana ebi mo so tie. Wo company no kra no e ma na niji and it keeps them long. It keeps them younger. E ma o maniji, it keeps omo hia o company. E wo be ko fie no Sena wife here was sena no see one problems. But so when your company na release stress okay. But and them as a
okay, not to say it releases stress, but say and them okay. And if I say a beer, uti wo you so worry. Na penina only no how your friend say sugar daddy no. And your boy will be BM. But also a command I was small boy. And anything will you go for small boy now will done and now penina ultimo say if ye penina na like because or show ye bibia and at the same time so walk come and more small boy no but the best if you swing out in the bois which one will you choose? Will you choose the wealth or not say laugh?
I do not any dear. If you are penny many chimp Miss Mary Badremba. I say some miss me family, set it up my family. It's a agreements are only penny never call. Say papa, Miss Minya media. Me it's understandable. Minya media. Obetia say a mama call. It's before say Uber realm into those things. Only the panel agreement concerning that. Na edru ho a na akoye say man so twen na me ma o call me ma na akoye a whole lot of things. Yes. Okay. It be mu say agreement I just only nipa no eko.
agreement e was
yes
one ni pa no okay dan also
agreement there
share internet na mama mba
so na you so fancy me
okay
and me sugar daddy okay and be am say wo me chana me engineer that's a video you so kuja uja wako me hu se nya dia ubutu awon bet still na ha ubutu na gosan na tweka
Mentias you.
So uja sugar daddy o say sugar daddy no ha say do come so o me ba dreamba. What if sugar daddy no ono so say nkuta adwena okuta? You understand?
Okay.
So they mean so ko po ba. We can say e da na di nkomo. Ya di. I thought they be do won so okuta ba no dey born. Like a taisi.
Okay.
So on them channel. E do ona so okay afi dey jam na me kwa answer. Me na me use na fa ko akola bi anase say.
Like any problem.
Minimum beer or worry ya na you know still no deep in energy. Okay. Every week was every month be no schedule no Sunday market. Until we don't know just have people.
Okay.
So as I say, don't worry how many years. Still was now. Until me when you say there will be anything like agreement. I don't know what you say. If you're not back. Fine, I'm not saying
Baku how?
Maybe I know Baku, but me just say all the sugar that is in normal to say.
Almost is Omunyana.
And you so when you me know, okay, no, Mary. We know, I do the local quarry. Say me when we are cranas and me no one when you made giant and our papa cranas still a baby. As I say,
okay,
now that's only one be crying a minimum conference. They are the chama mako and uncle don't sugar that is and son of when energy.
Not just say,
as I do it from a threat crammer one customer.
A threat, my one customer say.
Because when you say when you will be here for a long time.
Yeah.
The moment I will be frozen here, I see we have 61 car. Oh, we are how.
Sir.
For you know, be only pictures be. Moncomo, you baby, and I be.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. Meba muka kwanya messages ewa ha say Charles Bailey or say very educative and superb. Thank you, Charles. Or pray live from Dubai. Alta Kennedy Joseph Brainsford. Or say I think there's nothing wrong dating young or old, but it really depends on the person. Certain old girls are too problematic and frustrating young ladies are the best. Really? And I looked at to say you don't have to be into this. The best thing is the best thing to do is not date any sugar daddy or money based on financial problem. Work and get your own money. Thank you, dear. Comfort Abina Owusia, sister of Abina, cool or you. Baby be our be a source of the comments in the banner. You're reading a BBA because maybe they can say no, regardless of your age. Yes, obey day to be our sugar daddy. And answer then for me, yen share idea ye or sugar daddy. Say be advantage. Mosha, sugar mommy and sugar daddy. A dear pan ye passes some moments like point in time. If you need and not BB and you think say only age group you or her. Most of them a binom they think us I want to work, I want to do this. That time, let's take it say oh my major at the hospital. Oh and then
is it good to date
yes,
sugar daddy
or sugar mommy, yeah.
One maybe side my cousin
and yeah.
Okay. Say a BB you one yet say be a who hear me who
yes, okay.
What you say?
Okay.
And I'm going to be an answer sorry to say but who hear me into the mouth call.
Okay.
It is only here be not say a good critical not sound quite the same thing.
Not Sikadi Brenna.
Yes. So only
no. We're talking about life and quack any who and to your mama me who. Okay. And then I made sure can't someone
see. So when you're room, so we said before
say and then you have phone chain like that one you said it's not good.
But for no hey definitely.
No, this is
but two here so
listen, let me brief you. Woman at the hospital and the only person who bet me wow is somebody that we say sugar daddy. And woman why amount some hours to provide some money, financial way. What could we say we don't have it? And now no ujna umami any like sugar daddy in term. Now peno, but you need to save your mom as well. Would you do it? Would you sleep with that woman to take the money Now, from making sure say your mom is okay, save woman life. And now better say make dear, me pawunti me nje da. Enti me mama me maami ewu.
It depends.
Depends dear he.
It depends nipa no. Unza okay, ye usiase ne you. Oni no wo ho, ana oni ni ho. Ana fe no obepe wo. E na won
wa na.
And now mama yarin tin so force say okay, I feel them happening.
Afraid dear.
You understand? Okay, wako. Who could do na so say we hear dey say ntin na oba na so am so.
This is the person we're talking about, say, nipa no wo ho ma anopa ewia enunwe. But you know yourself, say, penny pan.
May I pray to God. If me mama time so at that moment.
Also.
Yes.
Okay, now.
Because once you go say enya de obeya. Enya de obeya, forget it. Fansa so for no one say bia ne ba yare and say na so me fansa or so for mama or something, let me say that. Na say bia so unso so sugar that be a good time be or worry into no jam. Okay. Edu e be so for na cry here be more dey pound. Uba ko ba jama ko jide be so for because you want to save the life. No. Say a time also ni ponu a na ko pon see so.
Enti wo do obema wo ma me ewu.
Yes, if I'm not ready to go.
You're not ready. Good. Mildred, what do you say?
Abena. I dey ready. Mama e ba ko. Meet me, Shessy, mammy. Ah, meet me, Ebia, sugar that in the bet me, mammy, sassy, Canada, Jimmy, my man. I've now go all for Melco. Melco, this can be Jimmy, my man. Cause mammy will be back up, mini mammy be our baby. And I've no me to me, my farm, mammy, and mammy. Meet me from me, mammy, near, and yammy, mammy. Me, mammy, and me, mammy. Me, dear one. It's abena me yet me kwa kwa je abese bi mama enko.
Oboka akwaji.
Oh yes.
Abese bi mama enko. O dream say enye boni. Adofo enkomo twetwe ne de ye ka ne say wo mama eyare a oda ho owu wo ye be ma na sa baba nipa e wo say utimo say wakwa busua no ho nyina emo afri baby ama. The only source betina say wo mama enko eye bia o sugar mommy bia otifia wa pewa baby o woska bro so a wo mpe no. And I said, sugar daddy be a wapewa won't pay. And for what you can hear, be sunny say, would you go for the money to save your mom? And I said, baby be a will be a send the comments, Nebrana, you bury the amount. You a problem, network problem, Kakana, home fan chain, messages never we make sure say you bury dinner, come. I had done. It would your own problem, man, you now man who are the soup.
Oversoon, yes, of course. But everyone only be a Ufa baby and us only be no be. No one should say Yard of Sabon now. Before saying Yacopo in India.
Yamin in India. Okay.
Yacopo, someone who said that now. What knows so? So, what Subu says, how do you mean you be there? May Tim wants to animals from Yacopo here. Yacopo to us, Mammy area, and I said, be a cogit.
Okay. Okay. And now let's put that one aside. Yeah, she said. Where you are branching about was so now what pay Juma and work office so we be I was here for now true or no penny say me na me penny me na company ya me dia na say me MD enti me pew say opedan and I say be ma pe wa na oba ni so open o say adwuma wachia be 3-4 years unya adwuma uti fe dia obedi kura edim and this is the only source. This thing I'm talking about, people are going through it in different occasions. Would you date the person to get the job? And now ube judge man no I say nyame be. Which one would you go for?
I know quite
dear.
I know quite yes. Because you want no boss no fa.
And yes. Okay.
I know quite dear. You want no boss no fa.
Okay.
Me fa me koton me ho. Se ko fe jumenti. Se ko fe jumenti me koton me ho there bi eno kwa den ka boss no fa na juma.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Me wa messages kakra bi wa ha me ready. Entry kwabna is it or what honey? Or say what's the difference between sugar daddy and friends with benefits? Wow, that's really cool. Friends with benefit, that's really cool. Oh, bro, Ivan, so say Ajman. Also, we are watching you live inside Breakum. Hi, bro, thank you so much. Comfort, I've been also. I won't do it even if my mom is dying. No, friends with benefits, you understand? Nana Kunadu my Rollins, sweetheart, what's up? I say, I will not let my mom die, you. Never. God will even ask me, oh, hey. If I say I will go and save my mom. And if I say my girl say, what's the difference between dating your boyfriend and going for sugar daddy or sugar mommy? It's the same. Once you date a small boy, no, and between this, I don't know they are not a penny day out. So if I say be so what's the difference between dating your boyfriend and going for sugar mommy or sugar daddy? That is anything I have funny. Comfort, Abina Obusi, I'll say. I like what you guys are saying. Thank you so much. Maybe we are over the piano. Over to me, so I send the comments now. You really am or come and the network, you know. A high in Papa still, we're still on it. And now we are also the obey. Oh, yeah, dance is your yeah. Now, me for Bible, Mran, and dear, my issue anymore, multi social. More can be honest with yourself, Dan. I say, more true.
And yet,
my name is Upwesting. Would you man a woman? Only a tip and you are.
Oh, dear.
Swear,
I'm not sure. Debbie. I don't want them in there. What's a woman? Woman says situation or woman.
Okay.
No, no, do put a good phone. I say, young people, the father. When young people or better was sitting and say, oh, my main one, oh, my medaho. Do young people or better was
somebody else all kinds of young people.
Situation.
Wow.
Who yet to save a life? Who yet to save a life? What you say? And just any other life, your mom's life. I'm not know where we are seeing. Who never be a baby? It's no one life. It's at the end of the day, now upon situation now.
Okay.
It took why I cannot Bonia or send a bomb body fatcher.
Okay.
That's what I say. Now, yeah, like a Jumani dear, and then a minute. Minute, a Jumani dear means minute.
And Moe,
me family won't come up in EBC of education.
But oh, mammy, to save your mother,
to save my mom, dear.
I'll do it.
Because
no cry, no to say, and no cry, then I make ever tears. Papa, and the minimum for your duty. No, the sign news will come my papa. Will be papa, send you the assembly quaddy. Or could crash of a casa. So, mammy, they won't quaddy. Okay. So now, say sugar daddy. Yeah, the sugar daddy is zero. And first of all, the person may be say, who is sugar daddy? Because your sugar daddy is not any. And to one you who is all your sugar daddy, how are you problem?
Now, my funny say, you can't sugar daddy. Be a when you sing. It has to be a when you sing. Be a or what the family. When you sing, what bravo. And to me, my understanding when I'm going to say sugar daddy. When you sing, what bravo.
Okay.
Or when you family.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm going to say, now, sir, when you said Jane, now, on warrior, I don't see that to be a sugar daddy.
And that's on your sugar daddy.
On your sugar daddy.
Okay.
So, because once the word daddy comes in, when you see him, daddy.
No, and I know. And sometimes, I mean, every man is a dad.
Yes.
Or a bema. So every man is a dad.
Yes, but Joe, you're going to me for Joe daddy.
I can call Joe daddy.
You can, but a mom cross a friend's other.
Oh, I met him a friend daddy.
No, the child say, you want to give the respect. So I was on way or
but the fact that the person fits you into daddy.
Yeah.
But on ye because the person is taking a role and he was a papa. But your dad is not doing it. So if that person is taking care of you, paying your school fees, and it's not about dating, or if I was saying about the person is your dad. Because he makes sure say, oh now we're okay, yeah. Why must I leave that person? I'm not friend will be daddy. You understand? And now also sugar daddy will be
you'll be when you sing.
Okay.
Or when the family.
Okay.
Yes. But Nipan when you say 20 years or say 15 years or not, Sandy Pano in quote on worry is not married. I don't see the person to be a sugar daddy. on worry. It's me who's for your sugar daddy.
On worry, I said, you are free to go.
But on worry, and when you are to sugar daddy.
I don't see him to be a sugar daddy.
Why?
Because he on worry and only family.
On worry, I think so. I think I said today.
On
worry at your back and you know.
Only so when you see when you see.
Men find yourself what way. Then wait in your castle, be an offense. What's our year 40?
Okay.
Oh, what's ya? Mammy, over 55 and 60 years now. On worry, it's also the sugar money. What are you talking about? Oh, your sugar mommy knows, can only you say a young one.
Who say yes, she may be. Number first before, Nicky is young Cassiam. You see, a Siama, Abrofnama, Abroso. Okay, in the young be said, age is just a number.
Okay.
In the young
age me a number. Oh, it's not, we're not talking about different say. Oh, and then we have people that who are finding the US maybe 1 year, 2 years, and you know. You see, we have some people, I didn't want to click. You can't tell me somebody is 60 years, now my friend is all young. Well, your sugar mommy. If you are young and you are dating somebody that is 60, what are you talking about?
And then send the young because of sugar, because of what who did you don't need to bring the word daddy down.
Let's say, oh, daddy, so let's say something now. But who can say yes, I'm not dependent. No, that one is not correct because once a when you need a winning, and you when you're winning. Because you can't compare 20 years, 25 years, you are saying baby. I grant you another batch. Now, if I go to be over 60 years, or then because I'm worried, now worrying, or now the same age now.
I don't side with you,
really? Why?
Yes, because the person is not married.
But we didn't say married. We are talking about sugar daddies.
Yes, and you want to know
so that. So now, who can say sugar daddies are those that are married? No. We have men that are not married, but they are sugar daddies. We have some business tycoons, they are not married.
I don't see the person to be a sugar daddy.
Why? What's the definition for sugar? Now, we didn't say married men.
Okay, I'll take the conversation and say, Senipan warrior, they are.
You are free to go.
I
don't see the person to be a sugar daddy.
Until you will be able to know.
It's not about you dating the person. The thing is, let's admit it, say, and then the Rihanna Mirror for my network name yet. It's me reading messages, say, I'm a Jew, they are clear, I'm a Jew. What we are saying is saying, your person is sugar daddy. It's always what she said, Ghana has a phone penny for you know, Mawari. We have most of them that they are not married, and they have girls that they take care of.
And I will say, sir, if you are not a warrior, Jay, and I'll see two or no.
Only a chance will not bet my warrior for you sugar daddy. That's all in the show. What you compare with small boy and one Nigeria? What are you telling me?
Okay, we go. So, small boy, not a small boy to share more. I won't feel no one say
I don't want. Oh, small boy, what a chairman is that? Name Benny if I'm a small boy or friend again. Mr. Montreal,
because you can't say sugar daddy or show.
I can't say more than
who hear of a mouth. We be up your mouth and associate. This is on your penny move, not so young, every crown of when you say no crown. That's what to me more the open behind and all that. Honestly, reference.
That should be mamma. Look, see how they are to do.
Honestly, reference.
Behind the evening. Honestly, reference. And then they say maybe some women children. Because I can't think for one I better anything.
Only one boyfriend. Yes, boyfriend. Yes, sir.
So, I'm yes, sugar daddy. No, as I see, I am a couple say. Okay, so now let's say, sugar daddy a show power sugar mommy. It's just I'm just saying that it's not real, but. A real crime that may come as sugar mommy. Anyway, sugar mommy a show power, sugar daddy a show power. Now, what bussy has your mom penassin. Also, to us a sugar daddy a year, maybe so female like a cobber. Would you follow your family and ask obedi sugar daddy next year? Which was open, regardless of the age. This is the man you want. Oh, my Mrs. say. Papa, you know, yeah, can't have a meal, you know, yeah, or to me, walk cram at us about 4. And to you, you find comfort with this man. Like, or treat you to say, you see him as your age mates. Would you go for it? And I said, you will follow your family. Say, you're paying us in Tijana. Then what would you do?
So, when you do two, so you put on that's all, no more than anything. I should be that's all one penny. The only thing is, the first is a collab, how you are there. near Tian's Jai. We are be who's a woo yen at Tiawa. Next time you'll be busy.
Would the best.
Do what you have the bush with on which you
Now, come on, Joe.
because one previous country. And you go for Moscow to me, Mobisco to me, dinner time as a sick of him. And so look on the Saska Prana and San meaning so what to be there. We sick of him and one as I'm sure.
I know to see video. Who knows what to the pounds of money? I have a for sure. Next year, it's now you follow the person.
For sure. Once I will not pen a honor when you're just sort of come. Send now for a honor you be war.
But you know, we have the word that we say, not done. If you are Mildred, not done, you may X. Not Mildred, you may X. But you think I said, not me. Thank you. Me papa, not me papa, you, not me mammy. But it's because not me girl, you, not me boy. And now I will neglect it or bushia for this man. Not a man who could jowl in the middle of the road. Where will you go?
Life.
Okay.
Me, my father be the to me, say.
Okay.
You be a male as a Swiss.
Okay.
Me regret it.
Okay.
I don't regret anything I do in life.
Okay.
The reason is, I didn't go to you. Me jumbo for a pie. Me shampoo will be charming.
Okay.
Me jumbo will charming. Next time from home.
Next time home. I say, much more fun. I want some messages. Nay, Baba. We have some Nikita phone you me ji we phone na ma touch kakra na ma say mama me ba na not know what my role and say I will just ignore my family and follow my heart and chop my money also only this kind na not do e ready me burunia ba ya we dey o sisi ka no be di papa no aka je na ma me say o fa wo ka bogos no those what will you say
who can be say ntimi empo abusuana mini abusuana kan no man ti ase a
okay
I will leave the money.
Okay.
Because it was shame.
Okay.
Me koko pim kra me sign me chi.
Okay.
Nti eno kwa ye me tie me bushia.
Okay, me tie wa bushia. Na unim say enye niam so a abusua nyina e ka na ya de ye. Unim say sometimes eya na nipa ni ani. But Godfathers no well, you know. We are say mostly nipa e obo afo so obusia ampe. In most people's situation, like counselors and other people, so more can. If you are saying the panel, they are buffalo. You can say, on in a year, Yamedi Nama said, this person there, on in a was so bad wow, oh my miss one pay. It's now Robert and if you know why a son singing. The same people now, Omaka Jesus, none as I can say. Thank you. Omaka son sunny by. Ah, when you're 30 something years, say, when you're 40, you are 50, you're now real Tom. But no, I want to monk. So there was someone in your life, Nanka, Yabaka Sonina yet Ukuna, on having family together, but on one of Moka said Darby. But same people will know Ebeyama. I will ask them where yet a yikaka, and you need the reason now kind of say, Papa, Papa, I have great, yeah. Or was asked them also. The new messages Kaka or Hamami reading, comfort, Abina or Wusu. I'll say, I like what the guy is saying. Nana, not going to be alone. All Kennedy, Joseph Brainsford. I said, I'm from Italy, my beautiful sister, it's time we understand one another about life. Young ladies are the best. There's nothing like sugar daddy or sugar mommy. We men these days need to be ourselves. I think it's plenty because, okay, ourselves. Aged women don't perform good at bed. Like old cars with old times. Or old batteries. Like seriously? I say old girls complain too much. Today my hair, tomorrow my hair. But the young ones are more fit physically. It's one's choice, but not the choice of my parents. About sex, we don't have any problems. Oh, Alta Kennedy, thank you so much from Italy. Tony Smith. I say old men or personal experience. Please. Alta Kennedy just said transport, but Danny Bisa said somehow okay, that's the old personal experience. Tony Smith, sweetheart, how are you? As elderly man taking care of young lady doesn't make him a sugar daddy. Men do that for a reason. What's the reason why men take care of their girlfriends? And I say, or more fiancé, please. Tony Smith, you need to come in now. Yanti was it. Nana Kunedu Ajimari Rollins. Was I'll leave him and God apologize. I'll leave him and go. Okay, I think I'm mistaken. And go apologize to my family. Ha ha ha. After chopping the money, you are crazy. And a rabbi Nyamecho said, good job, son. Good job, son. Yeah. Nana Kunedu Ajimari Rollins again. Or see, I'll leave him and go apologize. Alter Joseph Ransford, age men are more responsible, but not sugar daddies. Okay, thank you so much. My message is Mon Koswa and Fambra. Alter Kennedy Joseph, damn say the way I somehow can say a key point of a so say why experience and answer say. And then Tony too, please your comments, you need to come in and explain much to us. Or see, elderly men taking care of young lady doesn't make him a sugar daddy. Men do that for a reason. Some of the reasons that you think men are yes or no. Catch up a catcher and I so young for being 2 years old to you. Aha, let me tell you, man. Hey, message is never on network in any. Aha, me tell you now say.
Before we baby say, so we are calling Casacho now it's when I'm penny for no way.
That's what I'm saying.
Penny for way. And no penny be our famuda.
Okay.
It's in the walk or a canoe come or chair say, maybe our conija basho with Java. It is sign what she was a one of me. Because when we said the candy can or call back of him.
Okay.
No, that's somebody.
Okay.
It is for me, I'll leave him and listen to my family.
And listen to your family. Okay. Dear. So you leave
him
and not make sure. Sometimes more going to do also.
Yes.
And now you listen to them, not for Missy.
First, no. Nay, say sorry to say no more say Benjamin. And then we meant
okay. So next thing.
You know, Colania, but near you, a different from penny for.
A bit to say experience is the best teacher. A bit to say
say, or can be idea or a year.
Aha.
Won't now do one.
Wouldn't say
so, and yes, so who said, no, me, the negative side of the thing and then the positive side. Sadia me. Wouldn't say sugar than now, didn't you? So you'll be kuna. There is no way of our coming. Into one now. Wouldn't say, Franco, I sat your 2 war, you should dance so that. Wouldn't know very careful. You be able to miss. Yeah, more warning, was still a fossil. Okay. You don't have anybody to blame.
Okay.
What blame more? So as I say,
okay.
Maybe I want to make sure I could see. Never will be without what you have.
Okay.
It's no sometimes a young man and penny phone, Sabi, or no more foot in the
okay.
As I say,
okay.
I thought that I'll be a warrior. I'm seeing Uncle Council. Meaning, so be a Uncle Council best about 1 year, 6 months nearly. Manco be that. There's no way Uncle Council for anything.
Why?
I want to go.
Why do you think so? They want Uncle Council?
Manco because they're not a country. I saw a country, so here, yeah. Or your Bonacas will be a watch or be a fashion. Sorry to say, it means or yeah, dear.
No, sometimes we need them. Both in life, you know. But boy, yeah, you feel say, or you're right.
It's not about you being seen we are right. You understand? But there are some people, sometimes, Adibo are moving too far.
You should advise yourself.
Maybe no, too far.
That is you.
That is you. That is you.
I didn't go.
That is you.
To make their home.
Yes.
Because the first time I make home, my wife from Crophobia and I saw phobia, the cottonancy. I'm more credit to the share. At the end of the day, don't so many mistakes. And I said, look at these people. These people can't advise me. You understand?
You won't even listen.
So why didn't you from the second time cry Miss Uncle? Because I didn't make cottonancy no can. We start saying about Kubo for Casa. I saw me kind of here. Or no come, oh, sir, oh. You see? So we didn't have a say what to me for. But you can what's it? What you can say as another?
What you can say?
So this person won't mean to me for.
I somehow okay, one what you can say and say.
I want to mean to me for.
I don't want to mean to.
Ah. What can if you no more problem case you can to me so.
I know dear, 1 or 2 for. 1 and 2. Okay, so now let's come. I think that there are more messages coming back. The network here and dear. More messages neighbor we wish we can read. And so and back network, you know, HHC. Maybe said last week, you know, yeah, Kasa about friendship, sacrifice, and betrayal, and there are lots of messages I also tackle. But let's finish this last one, then get to last week. One to now, almost sending message, you know, interactive. The American sister walk over. Okay, you pregnant. Only Bemanium. Unim say anyin say na we na mpana for ye mienu. Akra ba ku sugar daddy a. Sorry to say one of the gurus are me fan say Ghana ha companies akese nyina ye ne dia. Ono so so wo pe ba na wakonyem. Would you give it to this man? For your son, you see your friend be say oh rather address. Ubana address and answer back on my career.
Ah, you say no me ba
sister only omu nyina le die.
But who about who nim say wait.
Na wo kwa manfo fi a check your first born sir. Ka dem say broni ku ha na nkate egu ha. Say ye ku pass na I agree the broni party I want
you want me this so onim say ni say no nim ni papa e responsible.
Good.
Yes.
Unim. It is a meaning say question me to ask woman. So you say yes me see na no nim. Name one so capable.
Thank you.
We also na line wo.
What would you do? Be honest to yourself.
That is thicker than
oh, sister, me say be honest with yourself.
I'm being honest.
I said na make sure say you come on for fee we no more first borns. Omo first born say we sisi wo Ghana, omo first borns. Abroni nkate no. But see ye aburo egu ha. Me dey nkate egu ha, ka do am for first borns papa. I'm being honest. Please forgive me. I'm being honest. Me why?
For sure.
Be just sister. I'm
not being real. What's it? Me.
You what would you do? I also worry about you. So say me. What's up? You show me so. I said me.
But on also na can't go back for year.
Channel now or question is or what you ask?
Also na cash no.
See, I'm talking for myself.
Yes,
I'm being real.
So
I'll give it to you. Because was it Kwashe Khan as a
Capra boy, what is
I'll give it to him. Because on the end.
Okay, and then done. Also, your man, you know him.
What do you mean? I just said, hey, yeah, made him up when the wine is of money.
This man, you trust me, you miss out. You play that this man about so done. Oh, girls, you're too. Oh, I didn't know. What is first man? Please, I let you know. Tell me about what man you know him. Back with old woman. I say, oh, what everything. Me friend is a company called your home or Nuna. Dear. What pepper didn't man be inheriting a Japade. Now only mammy weighing him. Only will get with him. It's the winner. Guess me in animal. Dear he pan or the jack to Musa Broya back. Now, Emma, only my mouth with fear. Boys are not glad you almost running your money. Thank you. It's me besides the dear Kina. Did the devil now because ultimately got Jimmy, did he never bow? You need to choose one and make it say, okay, wait there, where Yamia. Which one will you go for? The address or the physical?
Okay. I'll try and think smart. Say, Magic dear, if you know, like you said, did you want not sure. Robin Peter to people.
What was some not Michelle? What was some not American?
Only meant here.
Wow, what did you have a demo?
Sure. So when you do, I just also, but once a woman here. What is it?
Also, Betty and the dark
for sure.
And you'll be
people. It's a man of me sugar that knows. Someone GM boys.
That is why only Nipano, only Obana, and then only I call women.
Why?
No.
Best thing I don't second. Why would
boyfriends need
why would they just go
and
take something and go and give it to their small boy? What for?
They do.
You are stupid. This guy will never do and go for another person.
For that one, I'll never do that.
Say you don't or you don't know.
Now listen, who is your worry?
Yes, and then
so I tell him say you wanna.
It's low.
They don't have to do
it. Why it's low?
Yes, because
oh yes, I said you're Jimmy.
Sweetheart, you are saying about so Jimmy. Miss Salty Fina will shame now will be a giant. So this can be barber show small boy. No, I could do sugar that this can for treasure bill. I swear. Yes, will come you benefit because this same person that you are paying university school fees will leave you for another. Why can't you say you are not his class?
Yeah.
and it happens.
Yes, it happens.
Why must I go and struggle?
So now you understand it happens.
Make money.
You understand?
I know,
They
but
do.
it's not a good thing.
But percentage
Why
wise
must you
is
take money
low.
from your sugar daddy to take care of your small boy?
What about Obama? What about Obama? Uji from sugar mommy. Let the show girlfriends.
Girl, me and idiot. And man, most times for money. That is the smartest of smartness of some of the guys. And you better money girl who's so sugar mommy be your friend. Because I need auntie.
Na Bema the Obama.
Most the men they are smart to your mocho.
Wow.
This is the time I want to be with you. Anna, I'm very here.
We are aware of girlfriend and
what bit is that with you?
Oh yes.
What bit is that womb? You are smart with you.
Yeah, no. Oh.
What's your
saying? Money be who?
Sir?
Yes. I should have known the show because I knew show.
Really?
What are you telling me? Yes.
Oh, there are some messages I'm
there's
trying
no
to
Bema and I can say so Bema me penia.
But I don't
Bema
know
penia. Kitwe bi. Say the can say obeja kwhwe so kitwe bi. Na me ne wo ho as the girlfriend. Now ne
Dan.
Papa fufu.
I say I'm for fresh for don't want Facebook no more fresh for so catch on so you should.
Na so ne me ne wo ho as the girlfriend. Na me so ne papa so mesi bi. Me need to so ne kwa koda. Ma ko just camera.
Danny, help me to read the messages because the next
you understand?
Anything I know can say.
That is so unima, so unima, and money be here. I am
that should stop.
But can you advise them to stop?
If you are doing this, please stop.
Because I don't know the boy no obebu kwasia.
Me patrol dey be I said in your network no messages na about but yentimi and ready. We're trying to almost time to end the show but N something. N is it NK or BB? No, I tried the amount. It's very necessary. I have to. Oh jeez, I need to read these messages. Because I need to read the messages. Read it. The next one is so bad.
Okay, the same as remember not to
man, different.
See,
Bema worry about.
Good.
And you are worry.
Bema.
Good.
Even about how do seeker. To talk when your man, way at the end of the day, more crying. Because Bema be Kaiwan.
And yes, for because your band is yes.
Good. I know. Okay. Or the seeker to turn your man on the seeker
yes.
I know. Only the full side of the other side and you're right. But for some shower, what told him, only your best for what or three hours. So I'm not fun to answer.
Who obey man no what on your man?
Yes. Me baba waro.
Yeah, I can't imagine. Me Kofi Nyameche, meba. Kofi Nyameche is done. It's me, K Nyameche. You talk good. You know him? I think so. Okay, sure. Dan says hi. But your message is ne who say baba ba yentimi ready. So I'm banning a ratio and next week we'll read it before we start another topic. And more and show now. What would you say? You need your phone and working
so that you can get good internet.
Are you serious? But now I use this and I use this. We'll stop here. I use this. So what we're gonna do? I'll just use it. What would you say about sugar daddy, dating a sugar daddy and no dating? Would you advise is good or not? Than YouTube.
Advice I may want to say. Can we know more sugar daddy some more? But I am not watching that.
Okay.
Watching that you say sugar daddy now and never hold. Or why you won't mow? Why any family? Into more ban. Not so act smart. Now was won't me any your family. It may my advice and say, my mom and Baba want to say they should be smart. That is what I can say. Cause of sugar daddy no on phone yeah.
Okay.
He will just use you as is when he wants. Into who be smart. Now what that building wow. Now that she mean also so long yet me from ma.
Let me from ma. Yeah, that's it. I
hope so sugar daddy in Amuti. More from one raw. More from one raw.
Yeah, sure.
And you know too much from.
And only any view. I think
Miss guys, now was my will spend me couldn't let you don't forget it. So, yeah, Bema, I don't know one customer fighting for our day. Now, could you be my me be our new sing base about 20 years and now, or 60 years or 50 something years? Actually, because of the warranty. No. You have to get yours.
You have to get
For
yours.
that.
Tony Troby said, sugar that is not. Tony Smith also sugar that is not because of what they get. I was trying to read messages never, but as a networking in here, next week, you reading more messages. I feel now worship program here, share, unia, maybe or baby, so and from one banner from Bonnie Bra. Next week, to say near 8 to 9 p.m., you best edit the Echo Live Facebook program, ever bro. Maybe reading messages, meaning and son, you're reassured. We're trying to read your messages, but the network is really bad. Meeting Eddie Abnagana. Make year me mammy first lady Mandy Bako. Hey. Enemy of Itri Kobina appear ewo US Virginia. I face so much ya Yabuachi ewo Virginia. Na much ya adofoni abunu foni na Evans. Broken for motion in Abonafua. Yea, Namishra Munina. That's a name you best sign Asia ewo dear aircraft Facebook live program. So Marion Free say over share. Now do comment about that's a name you be ready answer na ya to show so. Meeting Eddie Abnagana. Midasi.